On behalf of our dealer principal, Mr. Lanu Zamir and Uniglo family, thanks all of you for joining us today on a very special day when Royal Enfield brings to you its new offering, the Scram 440.
This is a crossover motorcycle built in adventure DNA, and itu D4K kona platform de build korala ase. So itu platform use korina yate changes kan kunna burje. So what are the changes? Quickly moi ko and even kuntu similarities ase previous version with the compare korje bole. Itu bi moi short problem gi dia share kori ase. Even my finance details kan bi apne gi short profit dibo. So apne video do full saving. Let's quickly begin. So hi guys, apne ni dia bike side agadu. This is Scram 440. Yate color duita option dikhi ase. Color pasta options te pai jabo. Duita variant de pabo. And tala key do enia thakibo. So this is the key. And yate ekdam first change moi kole mun thakado ase. Apne already yate dikhi ase Scram 440 koi na. So ite yate 443cc la engine thakibo. Air cool ase. Single cylinder thakibo. And output produce kare 25.4 PS of power thakibo and torque 34 Nm of torque thakibo. To tahan ija idu D4K la platform de build korala hisapte first day yate engine de 440 use korode ki hoise itia yate refined engine hoise aro strong low end and top end yate pabo itia means you can ride on road and even off road pi apne cholawole parbo because they have used the tire yate block pattern tire cholai na ase itu any road condition karne thakibo itu first change hwa laga moi kui dia ase and even yate vibration bi than olop saisi guje than ita parato komti kuri disi guje so itu ekta change hwa la moi update hwa la moi apne ke janai dia ase and second one is yate apne alloys dikhi ase to previous 411 de alloys thaka nai tade spoke wheels thakise hulibi dia you will be getting options of both alloys and spoke wheels thakibo and tire laga pattern yete block pattern ase 19 inch thakibo front de rear de 17 inch thakibo 100 section tires ase rear de 120 sections tires thakibo C8 la tire ase and itu tire brand ekdam bhal brand ase koina I mean sopa jeni ase so itu yat tv olop change hoy itu moi apne ke dikhai dia ase baki suspension travel 190 mm ase that will be the same USD noy telescopic ase and even that will be monoshock suspension han yete cholai na ase so itu same thakibo and aro ekta change hwa do mane olop improve kora do tan ki ase ekdam change hwa do yete thakibo yete 6 speed gearbox thakibo aro next to ase yete halogen headlight thadu itia dhan LED headlight kuri dise and itu 300 mm la disc brake ase rear de 240 thakibo dual channel ABS ase itu ki hoise itia braking power olop bhal hobo previous version with compare korisole and aro ekta ekdam change hwa do since this is adventure apni adventure use korle ase off roading de use korle ase itu one previous 411 de ki thaka nai ABS to switchable thaka nai itu yate apni switch dikha do itu switchable ABS ase apni ekdam deep off roading jaya chole do you can off pi kurina ABS to apni ride to comfortably ra cholabole parbo itu motorcycle to kone itu bi ekta update howa aru ekta to ase next to ase yate sub frame apni dikhi ase apni ini physically saise kole do Scram 411 is na dikhi na bhaibo that's not the one yate sub frame di olop redesign korise that is yate apni jodi saddle bag top box kan halibole mona jabole itu portion di apni nite easily rakhibole parbo apni long ride jai bole major change hua khan du moi apni ge itia koi dise seat height ase 795 mm ground clearance ase 200 mm so suppose if you're a short rider 5.567 will be apni easily idu cholabole parbo 15 liters la fuel tank capacity thakibo and sitting yata saise hole idu ekdam broad ase to sitting comfort bhal hobo for the rider and even pillion karne bi yate seat bishi dangor dikina ase with the grab rail instrumental cluster I mean saise hole এটা সব Royal Enfield khan de kinia design shape te hai enga alop similar ase yate but you will be getting here analog aro digital instrumental cluster thakibo yate time dikhi ase gear position indicator ase trip meter thakibo and odometer speedometer itu han thakibo aru itu switch gears khan thakibo ite and engine kill switch bi ase yate and throttle itia ekbar exhaust not ekbar main hunibo. So that was the exhaust note. Ekdom bezier ase de microphone use kuriche etu karone olop alag bi huni na thakibole pare holi physically apni exhaust note hunise bole do it is bezier. Royal Enfield Scram 440 laga update ki hoise moi apnenke short par janai dise to apnen jodi if you want a bike for any terrain on off road ke use korle mun ase bole do I think Scram 440 ekta bhal option ekta hobo apni jodi test drive dole mun ase bole do you can call at the given number eta ulai ase and apni jodi cash short ase bole even they provide easy finance minimum down payment 30% ase but apni civil score bhal hoise bole you can pay even less also will depend on your civil score itu bechide apni private hobi government hobi ki business korilebi finance to apni provide kori dibo down payment moi apni share korise required documents apni aadhaar card pan card atm card aru bank passbook iton ani jole do hui jabo aru showroom visit nokra tamte you can call them aru hudi kina documents ready kuri na aise bole do within 1 hour de apni bike to lina jabole paro enia system bi ase. So that's all with the video of Scram 440. If this video was helpful then do consider to subscribe episode. That's all, thank you so much.